My name is Gbenga Omole, the CEO of Folgas Network Nigeria Limited. I've been in this line of business for over a decade now, and it's really been wonderful. We specialize in solar, inverter, UPS installations. It has taken us length and breadth of the country. We have been able to install solar inverter in offices, homes, hospitals, public parastatals, including the military. I won my major project through Cartel Products a few years back, and ever since then, it's been really, really wonderful. In fact, I can't say the success story more than to say thank you to Cartel for their products and the team. I don't really have, as regret, I don't think I've really had for once any regret ever since I've been in this line of business. My name is Gbenga Omole. I'm a solar hero.